This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We're cracking 2014 Topps Triple Threads Football. This is a 3-box break. This is also an eBay break, so I'm going to read off the eBay usernames with team names, and here we go. Rich A. Well with the Cardinals and Seahawks. Mom NL with the Bills and Bengals. MHay 1076 with the Packers and Colts. Whoa Hockey 1 with the Saints, Browns, Texans, Chiefs. HL Sports Cards with the Dolphins and Patriots. Stang LVR 59 with the Jets, Rams, and Bears. Trotsky with the Redskins. Insight 777856 with the Titans. Brightview 9 with the Buccaneers. Handyman Jim 67-US with the 49ers. Island Fan 62 with the Chargers. IPS 4343 with the Steelers and Eagles. Buckblaster 2000 with the Raiders. Dash 1822 with the Giants. Dylan Baker 1 with the Jaguars and the Vikings. Sanderson 0034 with the Lions. Dragonfly 12008 with the Broncos. Ex-Cowboys Fan X with the Cowboys. T-Bonds 8383 with the Panthers. Chino 520 with the Ravens. Conquer Dreams with the Falcons. And that is your lineup. Alright guys, we got three sealed boxes, guys. 3 sealed. And of course, in this product, there are a lot of triple relics, triple autographs, things like that, just out of the gate, just so we don't have any confusion. If there is a card with more than one different team on it, it will go to, if there is a majority owner on the card, meaning that if there's 3 different teams and one guy owns 2 of those teams in the break, he automatically gets the card. If there is no majority owner on the card, it is done on random.org between the 3 owners with 5 clicks, and I do that after the break, and you stick around, watch that, and we go from there. Let's get to it. Box 1. I got you, Island Fan. Bolt me up hits. I like it. Okay. Box 1 coming your way, guys. Maybe. Get that off of there. There's too many boxes, guys. And there they are. That's empty in there, guys. So we got the 2 minis here. And let's get to the first one. Empty in there, guys. And here we go. Of course, do my best to try and make the hits. Save the hits for last here, guys. Let's see, we got base and base. Alright, here we go. DeAndre Hopkins, 12 out of 199. DeAndre Hopkins. Tom Brady, 46 out of 399. Tom Brady. Drew Brees, base card there. Drew Brees. Victor Cruz. Victor. Darrelle Revis. And first hit, guys, coming right at you this way. Here we go. Oh, how about that? Right out of the gate with a little Johnny Football. Very nice hit. Browns, 20 out of 75. Johnny Football coming right out of the gate first. It is 20 out of 75. Rookie autograph. Congrats, Browns. Next hit. Look at that. Jamal Charles. 14 out of 27. Jamal. And that is a nice 3-color patch there right in the middle. 19 TDs. 14 out of 27. Come on, camera. $14 out of 27. If I can get the camera here, guys. Likes to play games with me sometimes. Come on. I'll get it here. Sorry guys, just trying to get the camera to focus here. There it goes. 14 out of 27, guys. Jamal. Sorry for that. Just wanted to get the camera to focus. Here we go. Yep, the Chiefs. Jamal. Camera was playing games with me there. Empty there, guys. And here we go. Robert Mathis. 31 out of 99. Robert Mathis. 31 out of 99. Colin Kaepernick. Colin. And that is 272 out of 399. Colin. Earl Thomas. Earl Thomas, Seahawks. Jordy Nelson. Jay Cutler. And first hit, going this way. Boom, boom, boom. Paul Richardson. Seahawks. Very nice. 47 out of 70. Paul Richardson. That patch in the middle there definitely has some color to it. And then you got the two blue patches there. That's 47 out of 70. There it goes. 47 out of 70 there. Seahawks. Very nice. Next hit. Taj Boyd. Taj Boyd. 13 out of 75. Taj. White jersey there. Jets. Taj Boyd. Alright guys, first box down. Here we go. Second box. There's one mini box. There's two mini boxes. That's obviously empty in there. There we go. Good start, Johnny Football. Love this product. Always one of my favorite products. One pack there, empty, guys. Here we go. Randall Cobb. 84 out of 199. Randall Cobb. 84 out of 199. Randall. Alshon Jeffrey. 72 out of 399. Alshon. That is 72 out of 399. Tony Romo. Tony. Jordan Cameron. Navarro Bowman. And your hit going this way. Mettenberger. Zach Mettenberger. 88 out of 99. 88 out of 99 there. Zach Mettenberger. Titans getting on the board. Mettenberger. Next hit. Going this way. Stevie Johnson, and that's an old school Bills. 3-color patch, and there's even a little bit of it hanging out here, a little yarn piece sticking out. And that is 20 out of 36. 20 out of 36. Stevie, 3-color. Actually, that's a 4-color patch in the middle there. It's got Buffalo and then San Fran, but it's Buffalo uniform, so Buffalo card, guys. That's Buffalo. Throwback Stevie. TC, let me know when you get back from the commercial there, big guy. If you need any hits ran off to you, I can tell you what you missed. Of course, this is recorded and on YouTube and the website and all that good stuff. All right, here we go. Second mini. Empty there. All right, here we go. Pure Garcon, 2 out of 50. Pure Garcon, 2 out of 50. DeAndre Hopkins, 126 out of 399. DeAndre Hopkins, 126 out of 399. Percy Harvin, Percy, Seahawks uni. Fitzgerald, Larry Fitzgerald. And Ryan Matthews. First hit, going this way. Packers, Devontae Adams. Packers, 49 out of 99. 49 out of 99. Devontae Adams, nice hit for the Packers. Triple jersey there. Devontae Adams, rookie. And last hit, going this way. A.J. McCarron, Bengals. Big white. I'm sorry, big. Man, I'm colorblind. Big orange jersey there. A.J. McCarron, that's 22 out of 99. 22 out of 99 there. Come on, camera. There it goes, 22 out of 99. AJ. All right, last box, guys. And 1 mini. And 2 mini. And empty there, guys. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Last box, first mini. One pack, empty box there. And here we go. Ndamukong, 71 out of 99. Ndamukong. Patrick Willis, that's 94 out of 399. Patrick. Cordell Patterson. Bernard Pierce, Ravens. Aaron Rodgers. And your first hit, going this way, guys. 9 out of 10. Brandon Cooks, very nice. 9 out of 10. Saints, very nice hit there. Cooks, 9 out of 10. Saints getting a nice hit there. 9 out of 10 there, bottom left. Very nice, Brandon Cooks. And last hit. Boom, we got ourselves a triple here. I'll have to check the teams. We got Russell Wilson, Peyton Manning, and Aaron Rodgers. 7 out of 18. That's 7 out of 18. Wilson, Manning, and Rodgers. So Packers, Broncos, and Seahawks. Packers, Broncos, and Seahawks. And I'll double check that right now. Seahawks are 1 owner there. Broncos are 1 owner, and where are we at here? Yep, Green Bay. Okay, yep, so that card will be done on random.org. There's no majority owner on that card. So I'll do that random after the break, guys. So after the break, stick around, and I'll do the random for this card, guys. All right, here we go, last mini. Empty there, guys. All right, here we go. Couple thick ones here. 71 out of 99, Kiko, 71 out of 99, Alonzo, Bills. Deshaun Jackson, that's 328 out of 399, Deshaun. And another Deshaun Jackson. Wes Welker. E.J. Manuel. And first hit, guys, going this way. Hey, boom, boom. Look at the Bears. How about them Bears? We got a triple. Alshon Jeffrey, Matt Forte, and Kadeem Carey. 2 out of 18. Very nice looking card. 2 out of 18 there, guys. Congrats to the Bears. Very nice hit. That's Alshon Jeffrey, Matt Forte, and Kadeem Carey. Triple. And also jerseys, too. Very nice. And last hit. Good luck. Going this way. Carlos Hyde. 6 out of 10. Carlos Hyde. 2-color patch there. White up in the top left, of course. And that's 6 out of 10 on that, guys. Carlos Hyde. Nice patch. Do a quick hit recap for you guys. Got the Carlos Hyde. 6 out of 10. Triple for the Bears. Jeffrey, Forte, Carey. 2 out of 18. Brandon Cooks. Jersey rookie auto, 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 on that one, guys. A.J. McCarron, 22 out of 99. Jumbo jersey there. Devontae Adams, 49 out of 99. Devontae Adams. Stevie Johnson in the Bills uni. 4-color patch in the middle, 20 out of 36. Mettenberger, 88 out of 99. Jersey rookie auto, Mettenberger. Taj Boyd, 13 out of 75. Taj Boyd, jumbo white jersey. Paul Richardson, Seahawks, 47 out of 70. Patch there in the middle there. Nice patch in the middle. Jamal Charles, 3-color patch in the middle. That's 14 out of 27. And Johnny Football, 20 out of 75. Jersey rookie auto. And we also have the triple jersey. Aaron Rodgers, Peyton Manning, and Russell Wilson. Random's coming up following the break, guys. Stick around for that. 7 out of 18. Guys, thanks again for breaking with us. Really appreciate it. Make sure you check the website this Sunday night. I'm going to also do another 3-box triple threads break, but the teams will only be available through the website. Only through the website, guys. So make sure you keep an eye on the website, and I'll send everybody an email too. And thanks a lot, guys. Stick around for the random. And thanks again.